Hey everyone! If you want to send money from your Mercury bank account to an Indian bank, here's a complete step-by-step guide. First, log into your Mercury dashboard, and in the upper right corner, click Move Money, then select Send. Alternatively, you can go to the Payments page and click Send Money to start a new transfer. Next, either upload a bill you want to pay or directly select, create, or invite a recipient. When you're in the recipient section, choose International Wire, USD, or International Wire, Foreign Exchange as the payment method, then click Next. Now, you'll need to enter the SWIFT code of the recipient's Indian bank. Once you do, Mercury will automatically update the form to ask for any other details needed for that country. You'll also have to enter the IBAN International Bank account number. Make sure it's accurate to avoid delays. If your recipient provided one, you can also add an intermediary bank SWIFT code, but only do this if they specifically ask for it. On the amount step, select the currency, for example, USD to INR, the amount, your payment account, and the send date. You can even set it to repeat automatically if needed. In some cases, you'll need to fill out extra info, like the purpose of the wire, or upload supporting documents like an invoice or contract. Then, move to the Details section. Here you can add an optional memo or note, attach files, or add email addresses to get a receipt once the payment is processed. Finally, review everything carefully: the recipient name, bank details, and amount. Then click Send Wire or Schedule Wire. That's it. You've successfully initiated an international wire transfer from Mercury to an Indian bank account.